besoin d'un besoin.
Oh, con gustis. Automatic. Dat ik aan het doen. Doe ja, van hoor ik. Ja, ja. Word sa matang.
Well, we're here. It's quite a bit shocking to see the extent of the damage here. We saw that some houses were almost submerged by the sand, but I'm glad to hear that the government agencies have been here. I mean, FRA has made sure that the contractor that was doing work here has taken some of the sand out. Some of the sand has gone, they put it down to the river, but in the discussions today, been very good discussions, good suggestions have been discussed about the road, what needs to be done about the road, about the water sources. We also talked about need for housing. Some of the houses may need to change, but that's something that needs to be discussed. And the cause of the water, where the water runs. As you can see, okay, the water goes right under the hole. The natural flow of the water. So all of these things need to be re-looked at. So we will look at some long-term measures, what needs to be done. At the same time, if people are not having enough food and those sorts of things, government can do that. But I think generally it's a good discussion. They also raised the issues about their schools. So coming here today is not just about the problem that they face in terms of inundation of sand. We also look at a whole range of other things. And I will be taking us some of these issues to the relevant ministries. Ministry of Waterways, about looking at either diverting the way that the water runs, or strengthening the way that it currently runs. There will be some, we also talk about sources of water. My ministry will also be looking at the Water Authority. Apparently here they have water in the morning and in the evenings. During the day there's not enough water coming out of the system, so that's something that needs to be addressed. With the roads, they talked about the fact that at some places the kids have to get out of the RSL, or the license carrier, and help pull up the vehicles. So FRA has promised to look into that, to try to repair the roads so that children do not have to pull the vehicles that they're traveling in. So generally it's been a good exercise for us to see the situation and see what we can do, because that's what government is all about, seeing how we can help the people that we're here to serve.
Okay.
Saya kayak aku tengah main lalu di nang salam. Rambutan.